Nature is dynamic and ever-changing complex. Many observations of natural changes long ago have resulted in the concept of ecological succession. Bare land slowly gets covered with vegetation and its associated animal life. The vegetation that initially develops on a piece of bare land is gradually replaced by a second type of vegetation which crowds out the first type. But even this second type of vegetation is replaced by a third and so on. In the areas where such stages of replacement occurs, it has been found that communities of living organisms, that is plants and animals, also replace one another in a very systematic, predictable and orderly sequence. This process of community change is known as ecological succession. In other words, it can also be said as development of different communities and different types of communities of living organisms, one after the other, in a given area during the course of a time. The term ecological succession was first of all used by Hult in 1955 during the study of community of southern Sweden, but a clear cut concept of succession was developed by botanists Warming in 1896 and Cowles in 1899. In India, studies of ecological succession have been made by Ranganathan, Mishra, Suri, Champion, Pandey and Sharma. Important causes of ecological succession are topographic, climatic and biotic. Fluctuating or unfavorable climatic conditions causes partial or total destruction of vegetation, and as a result bare land or bare area develops. Drought, extreme snowfall and lightning are important factors of climate that cause destruction of vegetation. Among the topographic causes are erosion of soil and deposition of soil, which are important factors.
Sometimes upper fertile soil is removed by the action of wind and water. This is called soil erosion. As a result of soil erosion, bare area is exposed where succession starts. Soil deposition results through heavy storms, glaciers, snowfall and landslides. If deposition of soil takes place over an area covered with vegetation, the plants occurring there may be destroyed or suppressed. This soil deposition results in a new bare area on which succession initiates. Many biological agencies also affect the vegetation in many ways. Grazing, cutting, cultivation, harvesting and deforestation are all caused by biological or living agencies and are directly responsible for either vegetation change or destruction. Many parasitic plants and animals also destroy the vegetation. As a result, bare area is formed.